What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, and today for Gunpla Hanger, we are putting together my personal favorite Gundam, Deathscythe. This is the original Deathscythe. This model kit actually reminds me of the old, like this box actually has the old 1990s feel to it, like the early 2000s feel to it. And I'm going to look at the model real quick in the kit. Okay, good. It's an HG. It's not a FG. Because I don't know if y'all remember the FG kit that I did that time before. I don't know. Is this an HG? I don't see. Yeah, there's polycaps. I see them. But it even comes with like a Duo Maxwell figure, which is kind of like reminiscent. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the runners real quick before I get started. So there's runner 1. There's all the runners in there. That's how you can tell the difference between an HG and an FG. FG kits have all one color, and you have to do a lot of painting yourself. Whereas HG kits are all multicolored and have stickers. So that's another cool fact. But it's a simple kit. It's a 1/144 scale. It's from the Gundam Wings series, and this is the WF-03. So this is like the original Deathscythe, because there's Deathscythe and then there's Deathscythe Hell. So it's not quite Deathscythe Hell. It's not quite Deathscythe. It's not quite like the Deathscythe Hell Custom. It's the original one, and I can tell you right now, this one's going to need probably a little fingernail polish or something to hold that crown in place, or the antenna in place, because that right there will not stay on. Small parts like that tend to not stay on with these older kits. Even the chin piece is like I think it's a tiny piece. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right off the rip, got it out of the box, and we have at least one set of polycaps, which is definitely going to be necessary, and 1, 2, 3 runners. That's not bad. I like a small kit. We also have a Duo Maxwell figure that we can paint later on. I'm not that detailed at painting. Like, I have a hard time with painting, but Duo is one of my favorite characters, and I like the fact that the ponytail on him, if it'll focus, it's not wanting to focus. Let's back up a little bit. Maybe get a little closer. There's just too much stuff in the background for it. Let's see here. There we go. That's the Duo figure, and it actually has his ponytail in place. The figure's not a bad detailed piece either. Like it's really cut well. If you wanted to put him together, I would suggest getting super glue or getting modeling glue, because you're going to need, like modeling cement, because you're going to need something to put him on that little stand right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. It also gives you like a detailed coloring guide for Duo, as well as your handbook, and of course stickers, including my least favorite sticker of all, the chin sticker. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here you can see the final kit put together. As you can see, it's not too tall of a kit, but at the same time, it wasn't real difficult. It took about an hour tops to put together. Needed a little bit of fine glue work on the horn at the top. But other than that, this kit was very fun to put together. I love it. Detail-wise, it's really good. Like I said, could use a little bit of paint work. Other than that, this is just a fun kit to put together. Okay guys, that's it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the old Deathscythe here and his awesomeness. I mean, look at them stickers. That's actually getting better sticker quality. Check out the links in my description for all my awesome friends' awesome works, and click on that bell icon because that's going to keep you up to date with when we go live with another one of these, as well as when we do live streams. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.